In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create weekly meeting notes in Confluence. Let's make your meetings clearer, more consistent, and easier to follow. Start by opening Confluence and heading to the space where your team collaborates. This is your central hub for pages, so use the same space every week to keep everything in one place. Next, click the Create button at the top. You can start with a blank page, but I recommend choosing the Meeting Notes template. It gives you a clean structure out of the box, including sections for attendees, agenda, and action items, which saves time and keeps your notes uniform across weeks. Give your page a clear, consistent title. Use something like Weekly Meeting Notes, date. For example, Weekly Meeting Notes, Feb 13, 2026. Keeping the same naming pattern helps you quickly scan and compare updates over time. If your team works across time zones, add the time zone next to the date to avoid confusion. Now fill in the meeting details at the top. Add the date and time, list the attendees, and include the agenda. Be concise but specific. A short agenda with clear topics keeps the conversation focused and helps participants prepare. If you're new to Confluence or need access, there's a link to the Confluence website at the top of the description so you can sign in or learn more. Once you're in, add a notes section and structure it for clarity. Use headings or simple bullet points. Organize your notes into 3 parts: discussion points to capture what was covered, decisions made to record conclusions, and action items to list tasks with owners and due dates. One decision per line makes scanning much easier. Leverage Confluence features to boost clarity. Use tables to organize tasks or decisions in columns like owner, due date, and status. Checklists help track action items as they're completed. Use add mentions to assign tasks and notify the right people directly in Confluence. Add labels such as weekly notes or your team name to make pages easy to find later. When you're done, click Publish to save the notes. Then click Share to notify participants by email so everyone has a single source of truth after the meeting. Repeat this process every week using the same template. Create a new page for each meeting. Link back to the previous week's notes for continuity, and use sub-pages to keep your space tidy as the archive grows. Consistency in naming and structure makes progress easy to track over time. Thanks for watching.